Hello, CMP Sharks. It's Miss Amanda here, your school librarian. Welcome to the Carmichael Library's online database, also known as Atrium. From this website, students can browse our school library's collection and reserve items for curbside pickup. Later this fall, students will be able to reserve digital audio and ebooks from here and download them to their personal devices. Let's get started. First, a link to Atrium has been added to every student's Clever homepage. Simply select the library link and then the Atrium icon, and you will be automatically signed in to our online database. If for some reason you are not automatically logged in, you will come up to our login box, select Login, type in your student ID and 123 CMP for your password. Once logged in, I recommend that every student and parent spend some time exploring. You will see that there is some personal information on the first page, such as books you have reserved, books you currently have checked out, any fines you may have, any interest based on books you add to your book bag, and history, which is based on the books you have checked out in the last year. On the home page, you can get messages from the library. Search and Visual give you different ways of finding books, and Links is a collection of web pages that we think are interesting and helpful to our students. So, how do we reserve a book? The first thing we need to do is find a book you want to read. The easiest way of doing that is coming up here to your search bar. You can type in the exact title of a book you want, and scrolling down until you find the book you want, or you can type in your favorite author, see if the book is available, or type in a subject. You can scroll down and see all the different books we have. On the right-hand side, if it says in, then the book is available for checkout. If the word out is written here in red, then the book is not available. When you find a book you like, simply click on it. It will bring up some information about the book, such as the reading level and the interest level. If you like the book, but you don't know if you want to reserve it, you can add it to your book bag. This creates a list of all the books that you're interested in. If you do want to check the book out, you can select the Reserve button. You will have it to select this Reserve button a couple of times to confirm that you really want it. On this last window, it gives you a little bit of information, such as the fact that we quarantine all books for 72 hours and sanitize them. You really want it, you select OK. And at this time, the library is giving your book order. If the book is available, then we will check it out to you and send an email to your parent letting them know that the book is available for picking up in the front office. If you decide you don't want this book, though, you need to exit out and go up to your top, to your My Items, select it, and cancel your reservation. Everyone is allowed to reserve 2 books at a time. Kindergartners and lower elementary students can check out 1 book at a time, and upper L and middle school students may check out 2 books. Every book is checked out to you for 2 weeks, and all books need to be returned to the library box in the front office. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, Miss Amanda, at awaller@cacmp.org. Happy reading!